Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Avondale Middle School, home of the Mustangs. Welcome to the herd, right? On the back mural drawing here, right in their school entrance or school lobby. And I got to share my heart today for a first time. We're here in Rochester Hills, Michigan. But the main topic today was positivity, be your best self. Talking about having a positive attitude in every area of our lives with our families, our friends, with our classmates, with our teammates, with our teachers, coaches, right? Trying to just be as positive as we can as possible. And it tied into to the song that I opened with, which is all about doing our absolute best in every area of life. That we keep persevering, we keep pushing, we persist until success happens. And the shirt that goes along with this assembly, it says, keep your head up, and the words are upside down on purpose, just because it's a reminder for us to always think positive, right? That sometimes tough times and difficult times and really, really hard times are gonna happen in our lives. The storms will happen, but storms have to happen for the rainbows to appear and for new life to spring up. And really, those can make us stronger. Those moments, those opportunities can really strengthen us. And so these eighth graders now going into high school with that mentality, knowing that, hey, things could get harder, schoolwork gets a little bit tougher, classes get a little bit harder, like the subject matter, and there's going to be different things that even if we fail, right, that's not the opposite of success, not failure, but quitting. So as long as we keep trying, keep giving the effort, usually 9 times out of 10, 10 times out of 10, we're going to get the result that we want, right? If we just give the effort, do our best, that's really all that matters, right? True excellence is not about just being the best, it's about doing your best, right? And also part of doing your best is starting to think more positively too. It's a huge thing that whatever we tell our brain and our heart, it's gonna believe. So hopefully we're telling it something positive. Get rid of those negative and limiting beliefs, people's opinions, right, that really aren't truth, and start to step into our greatness and start to understand our true value, right? So I always talk about this in all of my assemblies. We all have the letter M on the palm of our hands with the lines of our hand. We have at least one in each hand. Sometimes a faint line connects it. I trace one of mine here. But that M stands for miracle. Upside down W for worthy. That we're beautiful miracles worthy of love to both give it and receive it. But we need to for sure buy it and believe that ourselves, because there's so many students out there, people out there in general, that just don't believe this or have never been told that. And we got to be that light to their heart if we choose to. And I know a lot of the students got that today because a lot of them came up to me afterwards and they shared their heart with me, and some of it got a little emotional, but that's okay, because tears are strength. It means you're starting to heal and feel again. They're the sweat of our strength. And a lot of adults just said, hey, that really hit home. My personal stories of, failing, but then finally succeeding, or feeling like I was a failure or a mistake, and, finally understanding my true value and worth, and the hard times that I've been through. So through those personal testimonies, through some inspirational videos, through some positive music, that was the main message we were trying to hammer home today, is to just keep being your best self. Thank you guys so much for touching my heart. You guys are beautiful. You guys will be forever etched on my heart. And have a great rest of the school year. Good luck next year, freshman year, 9th grade, as you guys move on and transition. And until then, and as always, make sure to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. Feel free to check out this playlist for some additional motivation. And you can also click the peace sign symbol on your screen tablet wherever you're watching this to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Peace.